Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a package from my swap mate Lindsay, and I still haven't sent her my package, but I'm excited that I'm working on it, and then I'm going to send it to her very soon. But I want to do the unboxing with you guys. So she sent me this one and she made me a card, and look, I think she made it herself. It's so pretty. Look at that. And her handwriting is so pretty, and I think she made all this as well. Isn't that super precious? Thank you, Lindsay. I love your card. I'm going to keep it forever. And look, guys, I am already seeing sequins coming out of this very beautiful pink tissue paper. So me and Lindsay are swapping Paige Evans embellishments, and so I'm very excited. I love Paige Evans. Oh my gosh, look at all this yummy goodness. Oh my gosh, look how she layered that. Isn't that so beautiful? And it has sequins in there that's so perfect. Look at that. She layered this doily with the paper, and look at those. Isn't that so pretty? Can I reuse these and make embellishments from them? Wow, I'm so excited. And she used washi tape to seal it up. And then, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Lindsay, you did such an amazing job, girl. I love them. I'm going to look at them in a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Lindsay, yours did so good. I'm so excited. Look how cute. I can already see horizon paper in there. I'm so happy. And DIY memory decks. Oh my gosh. Look how cute and sparkly these are. And the font is adorbs. Oh, I'm excited. How cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put a link on Lindsay's Instagram down below. I wish... Oh... I'm so excited. I'm going to see if she has a YouTube channel, then definitely I will be linking it down below right there. Oh my gosh, Lindsay, that is amazing. How pretty. Look at this butterfly, and look at this matte enamel dot. I've never seen a matte enamel dot ever before. Oh my gosh, this is such pretty packaging. Woo! Oh my goodness. And look, she's sewn into, oh my goodness. I can't wait to open this up. I can see ginormous paper clips. And they are embellished. And they're in a shaker. Oh my gosh. It's like bam after bam. Like a non-stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Lindsay. This is so amazing, girl. Look, she made me a tag flip. Oh my gosh. So that's it. We're going to look at that. And oh my gosh, how precious. This totally matches with Paige Evans' vibe. Look how pretty that is. Did you guys see the tiny little stars right there? Lindsay, thank you so much. I love it. I love it so much. And then she put some sequins in the box. I will definitely be reusing that. So she got me this one, which is amazing. Oh my gosh. Lindsay, this is so beautiful. I don't know how to open it though. I don't want to mess it up. Let me see. Maybe I can just use my scissors to snip it. Wow, look how amazing. What? Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty these are. So look at that packaging, guys. With a matte enamel dot. How pretty. You can just put in a sentiment right here. And this is ready to go for you. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. And it's super tiny. She cut them all. And she got me like a boatload of them. This is so beautiful. Lindsay, I love all these fringed hearts. They're so precious. I love it so much. Thank you so much. She gave me a boatload. Like, this entire bag is filled with all these pretties. I love, she used the Horizon collection, which is my second favorite. My first favorite is a pick-me-up. But that's so pretty. The packaging is a maze. I don't think I want to open this. It's too pretty to open. Should I open it? I guess we have to open it. Oh my gosh. You did so good with the sewing. I'm so bad at the sewing business. Let me see. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Lindsay, you didn't. Oh my god. Look how pretty these are. Absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. You'd be pleased to know that I made you some paper clips as well. I'm glad we are super calibrated. And she put sentiments, which I love. I'm excited because I'm making her a boatload of stuff too. Oh my gosh. I hope she likes it. Oh my god, the suitcase, guys. You know me. I love suitcases and I love paper clips. Thank you so much, Lindsay. These are super, super pretty. Every single one of them are so unique. I love them so much. Thank you so much. Then this one, oh my gosh. Look how pretty these pink ones. So cute. And then, I don't want to mess this up. Maybe I can reuse this bag. Let me see what we have in this bag. Oh my gosh. She is so good with these tiny little frillies. It's hard for me to do the tiny little ones, but look. Look at that flower. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, guys. And she put them all individually. And look at that matted enamel dot in the middle. Every single flower has 5 layers. Oh my gosh, that's so much work. Lindsay, thank you so much. These are so beautiful. I love the colors. I love them all. Where did you, hey, can you tell me where you got these matted enamel? And I have some more sequins that I can keep. Where did you get those? Those are so pretty. It looks like candy, actually. She gave me a boatload of them, guys. Isn't that super, super nice? Oh my gosh. I'm so, so excited. And I have a lot of sequins that I can play with for later. Because I need sequins. I'm going to make, I will be making a Coptic book. Oh my god, look at that tiny little star. I love your layering. I love that you put stitching on here as well. So pretty. And you gave me some of the She's Magic from Dear Lizzie. I love that collection as well. Oh my gosh, girl. Girl, I love it, girl. Thank you so much. Definitely, I will be using that. And then, guys, look at this work of art. She gave me 6 of the layered and stitched circle embellishment. Look at the work that went into this. I am so happy to get this. Thank you so much, Lindsay. I love them. Look at that bird. And then she has another matted enamel dot. So pretty. Oh my gosh. It took probably forever to make these. These are so, so beautiful. And look at that. She put a lot of detail. The stars and the cup, which I love. Look at that pretty thing. Hooray, friend. Lindsay, these are so beautiful. I love them so much. I'm going to keep this forever and ever. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. How beautiful are these guys? Guys, what do you think? Isn't this the best? And look at this. How pretty is this layering, guys? Isn't it so pretty how she layered them all? Oh my god. I'm gonna be looking at these after. I'm gonna look at them again after I film this video. Oh my gosh. Wow. I need to get into the memory decks bandwagon. Look how much layers did she put in here. And here's another matted enamel dot. I am dying to know where that came from. Oh my goodness. Lindsay, let me know where you got those. And look, she has a die. I need to get that die. She has a die that cuts the memory decks with stitching. Isn't that so pretty? Look how she layered it like a storefront. And of course the sentiment, which I love, and all these beautifulness. Guys, isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. This is my first time having a memory decks. This is the first 3 memory dexes that I own. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love them all. Look at the layering of the horizon embellishment flowers. They are so pretty, and she put gold droplets in there as well. Oh my gosh, Lindsay. Oh my god, my friend. You did such an amazing job. I am so, so happy. I'm so proud of you. You did an amazing job. I love it so very much. Thank you so much. Isn't that so pretty, guys? Oh my gosh. I need to make a memory decks, like a DIY memory decks, or buy my own memory decks. So this one is what I'm opening now, the DIY memory decks. Ooh, I wonder what this is. So we got more frillies. I think I'm going to spend like hours and hours tonight looking at this box and soaking it all in and looking at it again and everything. Oh my gosh. I think this is a kit. Oh. And she gave me these enamel pearls. How pretty are these? These are the perfect pink. So this is a kit, so I'm going to separate it. And then she got me some of these, wow. She got me some of these matching embellishments. And I think she wants me to decorate it myself with, oh, ooh, look at that. She wants me to decorate these memory decks with all these provided. Oh my god, what a great idea. Oh my gosh, this is such an amazing idea. I'm so excited. Lindsay, thank you so, so much. I've never made a memory decks ever before. This is going to be my first time. Thank you so much. And you made me a kit with stitched layers as well. Oh my gosh. Girl, you are the best, girl. I am so excited. I'm excited to play with these. And you got me some of this. She got me some sentiments. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Maybe tonight. I cannot wait, guys. Excuse me, sorry, guys. I'm trying to get over this virus. Friday night fun. I got too excited, I feel like. Excuse me. Look how pretty. Wow. How cute. Alright, guys. Now I'm a little bit calmer. Now this is the last part. Oh my gosh. How cute. Look at this. Looks like there's a present underneath there. And it looks like this is a tag flip with so many, many goodies. How cute is these tags? Oh my gosh. There's the transparency. How cute. In a house with a sentiment sticker. I remember this from Horizon. I love the Horizon colors. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing the detail on this one? Like the stitching. Oh my gosh. How cute are these? They are so pretty, Lindsay. Thank you so much. I love it so, so much. It's so pretty. Look at the layering of this. And again, with a matted enamel dot. How pretty. And she did such a great job layering it up. Looks like this is the building with a door. And then the window and the flowers coming out. That's so pretty. Look at these layering. This is from the Pick Me Up. From Horizon. I love these collections. And looks like there's something in there. We're going to open that up in a little bit. And it looks like these layered tags. That would be so cute for a book. So pretty. That's so beautiful. How pretty. This is the prettiest color. Sorry about my nails. I need to change it up. And then there's a present underneath there. So let's open this up. This is so exciting. This is like my first successful swap. Okay. All right. Ooh. I can see there's goodies inside here, guys. Oh my gosh. And more sequins. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun collecting all these sequins, and definitely I need to reuse that. Look, she gave me a lot of... This is from Pick Me Up, I think. She gave me a lot of goodies. Oh my gosh. Look how cute are these. Buttons. Cut aparts. Some more of that. Oh my gosh. I love this collection so much. This is from the Pick Me Up and Horizon mixed bag. Guys, these are so beautiful. Lindsay, thank you so much. I love all of this. And I'm definitely using all of them and putting them in my stash. But look at all these, and look at all these goodies. How pretty are these? Like, don't you want to just put them all in one shaker card? I'm so excited. I'm going to collect them all and put them in a container. Thank you so much, Lindsay. I appreciate that. And then we're going to open, put that aside, and then we're going to open this back part. This is such a great idea, packaging them all up like this so it's not all over the place. I'm going to do that too. So this one says, hello, friend. And she wrapped it so pretty with a twine and the layered, like the sticker, and... Ooh, I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to open it somehow. This is so exciting having... Oh my god, it's a pick-me-up something. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I don't want to mess this up. How do I reuse this? And I think, guys, this is definitely... I need to reuse this one. Definitely, guys, look at this. She gave me a pick-me-up ephemera. It's an entire ephemera pack that is untouched. Ooh, this is packaged so very well. I think I need to cut that. Wowzers! Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it so much. I don't have a Pick Me Up ephemera pack because I gave it away in my first giveaway last year. I'm so happy I have one. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thank you so much, Lindsay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed opening all these goodies with me today. And I'm going to link Lindsay's Instagram if you want to follow her. She's an amazing crafter. She makes, as you can see, she makes amazing embellishments that are out of this world awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. This is Kristian signing off. Bye.